This is part 2 of the demonstration about points or tags. So we're going to select points. We're going to select new point, changes port. We're going to be talking about analog host and digital host tag types. This host word in these 4 tags indicates that the tag does not have a port or source to collect its information. It is hosted in the HMI. So we'll start with analog host. And as we notice, the alarm area, alarm configuration area, is the same as it is for the analog tag. The fields are the same and the way that they operate is the same. It doesn't have a port or source because the port is the HMI and the source is the tag name. It doesn't have an instrument range low or high because it's the range of a floating point value or number. It does have a high engineering and low engineering units range so that the alarm can have a dead band. If you don't fill these in, it defaults to 0 to 100. And the dead band defaults to what it's set in the project settings. The other fields are the same. These points can be published for OPC clients. It does have this new field script. We'll select the button, and this is the script integrated development environment or script editor. And this window and how it works is discussed further in another demonstration. But we'll just show that we had an example of we had a user who wanted to convert a tank which reported its level in inches, 0 to 111 inches, and he wanted to display it in gallons. So he told us what the equation was, and we helped him come up with this script. And what this script does is it reads the value of the external tank, which is 0 to 111 inches, multiplies that value by these two values, and comes up with a result. And the scripting engine places the result in the tag for the point, so that when he refers to this tag name and its process variable analog item, it is the result of this equation. There are many commands inside of the HMI for scripting. There's so many it goes off the screen. Watch the other demonstration video. It goes in greater detail about what all of these icons are and how scripts execute. The next one is the digital host, which its alarm area is the same as the digital generic tag. It has the same missing port and source because it is internal, and it has the same scripting button. That'll bring back the IDE. So it's the same as the digital, except it's inside of the HMI. It doesn't have an external connection. That's it for this demonstration.